And if you're selling the bond, you're going to sell it at the bid price of the dealer. So don't mix those two. And there's going to be questions about those and the conceptual ones. And another thing about the bonds, when we're valuing the bonds, we acted as if they were just issued or a new coupon period just started. But you don't always get to price those things in the beginning of a coupon period. You know, the bond may have been issued 3 months ago. The first coupon is 6 months from now. So you're in the middle. The price that you pay is called the invoice price. It is also affectionately known as the dirty price. The price you are quoted is the clean price or quoted price. They do that so that they could make a easy comparison for bonds that are in different places in their coupon period. You may have two almost 30-year bonds. One of them is only 1 month into the coupon period. The other is 5 months into the coupon period. It makes it a lot easier to quote the clean so that you don't worry about where you are, knowing that you're going to pay the dirty. Dirty is clean plus accrued interest. Here is the idea behind accrued interest. Suppose I bought a bond and it's a 6 month bond. It's going to pay a coupon of $60 1 month from now. And if I sell it, the person that buys it is going to get the $60 worth of coupon. But in a way, I've earned 5 months worth of coupon myself, right? Because I waited for it, but I'm selling it early, so I want compensation for that. That's what accrued interest is. The portion of the coupon that the seller has kind of earned. And the way you calculate that is easy. Coupon amount times time left in coupon period divided by length of the coupon periods. So going back to that one, semi-annual bonds with $60 coupon, and it has been 5 months since the last coupon. What is accrued interest? Do you guys feel as hot, warm as I do? Let me see if I can do something over there. It is a iffy bet if I can, but this room, in addition to bad AC, also has a lot of computers. Of course, body heat of 40 people. Let's see. Just gonna abbreviate that to accrued. The, the coupon you're expecting is $60. Okay. How much time is left in the coupon period? It's a semi-annual coupon. 1 month, because it's a 6 month period. 5 has already passed. So 1 month is left. Total period length is 6 months. Boom, that's $10. Oh, not, I'm sorry, not time left. Time, you're not telling me that's, I'm not doing it right. Since last coupon, it has been 5 months. Okay. So you, as a seller, you have the right to 5/6 of that coupon. You're gonna tell them, you're gonna get $60 in 1 month. That's a valuable thing, right? You don't have to wait 6 months to get the $60, only 1 month, which means compensate me. That's about it. I mean, the rest is if I give you dirty, you calculate the accrued interest. Clean is simple. Dirty minus accrued. Okay. In problems, you're gonna be given either the dirty or the clean, and find the other one, which means you have to calculate the accrued interest. And as you can see, it is not very complicated. In any case, we have a lot of problems about that. In fact, let me see if I can directly copy it. Let's see. Because I want to talk quite a bit about yield curve. And please read the rest of the chapter. There's a lot of descriptive stuff that you don't need me to read it back to you, but you will get definitional questions. In fact, there are 4 fill in the blank questions on this one. You have only 4 computational open-ended ones, as opposed to 6 in previous chapters. Let me make sure that I haven't already posted this for you guys. No, I have not. So hopefully I'll be able to do just a copy. Yep. Spring 24. Submit. Now it's in your section. But I always like to check. I basically group them into 2 types of problems, the bond value problems. And for most of them, I use the bond pricing templates we created in the class. But just in case, I'm putting it there. But if you want to do it using your own means, using functions, in the first 2 problems, I also show you how to do it using Excel functions. So you could do those as well. The second one, problems other than bond valuation, typically they are real rates, after tax yield, and accrued interest kind of stuff. So please watch them. Let's talk about yield curve. Who knows what a yield curve is? Or who has heard of a yield curve? Yield curve is a simple chart. On the horizontal axis, you have time to maturity. On the vertical axis, you have the yield. Not all bonds have the same yield to maturity. The 30-year bond that we have seen was 436. Now let's look at the 10 years. US 10 years. That's 422. Okay. Let's look at the 5 years. 421. Let's look at 2 years. Come on. Apparently, it didn't do it. That's 460. If you can see, it kind of has a downward sloping pattern, and it goes up a little bit. You can actually get a picture of that among a lot of places, but type US Treasury yield curve. That won't. This will have the actual rates, but not the charts. Let's see. Come on, I don't want to sign up for nothing. And this is the blue is the current one. Gray with the dots is about a year ago. Gray with the squares is about 2 years ago. The shape actually tells us something. Okay. In general, unless inflation is expected to go down, uh, yield curves are upward sloping. And we're going to think about why that is the case. That means the rates for shorter uh, term treasuries are lower than the rates for longer term ones. But if inflation is expected to go down, go up, go down, or short term rates are expected to go down, you're going to have some downward sloping part. And let's think about what sort of things affect factors that affect